Welcome to UGCNet Online Pre-Coaching. Myself SP Sajjan, Assistant Professor in Computer Science, Government Postgraduate College, Jamkandi. I have qualified UGCNet in 2012. High Court, High Court of Karnataka Database Administrative Exam in 2013. Assistant Professor Recruitment Exam in 2016 and KSET exam in 2017 and 18. Based on these experience, I have written total 4 books. One book contain old question paper solution 2004 to 2014, this book, and one more is 2015 to 18, one more book. And I have published, this is my YouTube channel, nearly 38 videos I have published related to computer science. Okay, detailed solutions I have explained in one by one. Please go through this YouTube channel. Complete means explained in detail step by step in 2004 to 2007, complete question paper, old question paper solution. And this video related to paper 1 who are preparing net set gate and bank exam. It is very useful for computer science related binary related question. It is not only computer science student, it is useful for all who are preparing net set gate and banking exam, SSC, and railway exams. Okay, then this is related to this video related to general instruction to UGC net, CBC and NTA net exam. And this is completely based computer science students. What are the subjects need to study, reference books, author, which book is good for subject, and priority means it is not possible to cover all complete syllabus, means all 20 subjects. So you need to study based on priority. This is high priority subject, this is database is a high priority subject, C++ is a medium priority subject. Based on priority you need to study. That's why I have made this video related to syllabus, pattern, cutoff. And this video for last minute tips, it is very useful for all competitive exams, because even though we know the answer, fail to get a marks in exam because of stress in exam hall, tension. Even though we know the answer, we will make it wrong. That's why what are the precaution and care you should take in exam hall. It is very useful video, last minute tips. Please go through this video. And this blog contain complete uh, videos and latest job informations. This blog, regularly watch this blog, you will get the latest job information called all over India. Okay, then if you register here, you will get a free study material, computer science and paper 1, only computer science and paper 1. This is related to assistant professor recruitment related in Karnataka. I have based on my experience 2016 I have written. Based on my experience I have listed here compulsory Kannada, which books are need to study, and compulsory English, and general knowledge, history, polity, and general science, and Indian constitution, and core subject like computer science subjects. Okay, complete I have listed. And regularly watch. Again 1250 post will call in Karnataka, assistant professor posts soon. Last year in computer science, directly 20 questions asked, only old net questions. Means what? Out of 100, 46 questions directly from old net exam questions, means directly from this book. Because I have solved 10 years here, 46 questions only from this book. This book contain detailed solutions like this. Here asked only slotted allow maximum channel utilization, but I have explained pure allow also what is the channel maximum channel utilization. Look at here 36%, 18%. Next time, many time asked for pure aloha, the maximum channel utilization 18%, slotted aloha 36%, but options are both options are available in answers. You will get confused. That's why I have explained in detail, right and wrong. If the question is changed, you need to answer this one. That's why detailed explanation I have given like this. This is also frequently asked question. um, Nearly 8 to 10 times asked this question. So this is shortcut way to solve this question. Please go through this book and definitely you will clear future exams. Look at last 4 years, this is 4-star book. Okay, these many reviews given. Look at all certified buyers. Look at mind blowing purchase, this is certified buyer, buy it, certified buyer, the worth for buying. Look at all are given 5-star. This is very very useful book. uh, this is also 2015 to 2018. This is 2019 only published. This is also, look at review, excellent book for those who are preparing for net SLET gate exam in computer science. Mm, I like to say big thanks to Sajjan sir and team. They have written like this. Look at in Amazon also. Look at all the reviews. 59% given 5-star, 23% given 4-star, means 80% given 4 and 5 stars, 18% given 1 star. Okay, go for it. It's a verified purchaser telling good. Okay, it's good both net and KCET exam. Best useful book, good verified purchaser. Look at met expectations, awesome book. Look at all are verified purchasers given like this 5-star and 4-star rating. Okay, this is also, look at this is 68 4-star rating given. This is only for 350 rupees. Look at uh, need some corrections, worth for money, really very good explanation and very well theoretical, verified purchasers. Look at 5-star, good book but some few printing mistakes. Buy it, it's very useful book, good book, wonderful book. Look at all have given 4 and 5-star book rating. Look at last 4 year, it is a 4-star rating book. Even though I have not advertised, there is no publisher, there is no, I have self-published. We even without advertising, we will get a 4-star rating last 4 years. Okay, that's why this is my experience completely used and explained. It is very useful book. Please go through this one. I have shown you some sample pages. Look at this is how explained in detail like this. Look, this is closed contest free language closed under they ask the question, but I have explained regular language also. Here option C is correct. Option C also I explained, one wrong also I have solved. So please go through question by question, definitely you will clear future exams. I explain in detail solution. Look at algorithms, all time complexity I have given. So uh, transport classes, this is compulsory question every year. Nearly 10 to 15 or 20 question directly old question papers every exam, KCET and net exam. Means what, only these two books will get a 20 questions KCET and net exam directly. So these two are very useful. Please go through these two books and watch free videos and see all latest updates in my blogs and get success. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and share your friends. Thank you and all.